If you're looking to start trading without risking your own money, you're going to want to pay attention to this one. Today we're diving into XM, one of the most beginner-friendly Forex brokers out there, and their current promo, a $30 no deposit bonus just for signing up. Plus, I'll tell you how to make the most of it using the trusted partner code XP6GC. Let's break it down. What is XM and why are so many traders talking about it? XM has been around since 2009 and has built up a serious reputation. They're regulated by big names like ASIC, IFSC, and IFSC, which means they've got credibility locked in. But what really makes XM stand out, especially for beginners, is how easy they make it to get started. They support a wide range of trading instruments: Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, gold, oil, you name it. And their account options are super flexible depending on your trading style. Let's talk about that $30 no deposit bonus. Alright, here's the headline deal. XM gives new users $30 to trade live. No deposit needed. That means you can start testing strategies, exploring the platform, and even make real profits before ever adding your own funds. Here's how it works. Sign up for a real account. Verify your identity, simple KYC stuff. Use partner code XP6GC during sign-up. Claim the $30 bonus in the members area. You get the bonus straight into your account. It's not a demo. You're trading real markets, and any profits you make? Totally withdrawable once you meet the terms. Platforms and tools, Mount 4, MT5, and more. XM gives you access to MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, both gold standards in the trading world. Personally, I'm still a fan of MT4 for its simplicity, but if you want multi-asset support or more advanced tools, Mount 5 is the move. They also support mobile trading, so you can manage your positions on the go and everything syncs beautifully between desktop and mobile. Spreads, leverage, and execution. Spreads at XM are tight. We're talking as low as 0.6 pips on majors with the ultra-low account. Leverage goes up to 1 to 1,000, which is massive, but trade responsibly, of course. Execution speeds are smooth, and I've personally had no issues with slippage on major pairs during high-volume sessions. Education, support, and community vibes. This is where XM really caters to beginners. Their education portal is solid: webinars, tutorials, market updates, the whole 9 yards. Even if you've never placed a trade before, their platform won't leave you guessing. Plus, their customer service is fast and helpful. Live chat responses within minutes, even on weekends. How does XM stack up against other brokers? Let's be real for a second. XM is perfect if you're just getting started or want to try a broker that balances. Low-cost trading with strong support. Here's a quick comparison. Vantage, great for fast execution and advanced users. Referral code ABC12345. XNES, ultra-high leverage and low spreads. Partner code MOE2L7008K. IC Markets, fantastic for scalpers and pros. Referral ID 68839. Just Markets, coming up strong with decent promotions. Promo code S4PJ50UOFV. But when it comes to low-risk starting points, XM's $30 no deposit bonus is in a league of its own. Final verdict: is XM worth it in 2025? If you're new to Forex and want to test the waters without putting your own money on the line, XM is one of the best options in the game right now. The $30 bonus is real, the platform is beginner-friendly, and they've got the regulation and support to back it all up. Ready to start trading? Sign up with XM using partner code XP6GC, link in the description and comments below to claim your $30 free bonus. Also check out these trusted brokers while you're at it. Vantage Markets, referral code ABC12345. XNES, partner code MOE2L7008K. IC Markets, referral ID 68839. Just Markets, promo code S4PJ50UOFV. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried XM or if you have questions about the promo. Until next time, happy trading and stay profitable.